You got some more documents, papers, or even books you would like to get transferred over to digital format? Well, then today's episode of Good Tech Cheap is the one you need to be checking out. Today we have the CZUR book scanner. I'm pretty excited to be checking this out. I've got some books I would like to get transferred over and even do digital presentations with while I'm playing a good game of D&D. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. Today's episode is brought to you by CZUR. We have the Shine Ultra to be taking a look at, and this is an affordable document and book scanner. We have all of our links and details located in the description, of course, but first thing is first, we're gonna have to get it out of the box and see what we get. Right at the top, it's got some very nice packaging. We have a CD. Wow, it's been so long since I've had software come on a disc with a product. That's pretty cool. Do you even have CD readers in most laptops and desktops these days? Let me know in the comments. Do you still use a disk drive on your PC? Then we're gonna bring out the actual product. Oh, this is nice. Okay. All right. That's interesting. So this is the stand, and underneath here we have the light and the camera scanner. Then we got some more parts in the box. We have a foot pedal. The foot pedal out, show you what that looks like. Here is a foot pedal. We have our USB cable. This is a standard USB cable. We have a finger cot for book scanning. So there is that. Interesting. Here we go. There we go. We got those. And we also have a mat. Like a mouse pad type mat with a little slice. And right here, where you can put around the light base. That's pretty cool. And that is everything you get right out of the box. We have the stand, our drivers, foot pedal, USB cord, finger cots, and the mat. After getting all this set up and the software installed, this thing turned out to be awesome. It is a powerful book scanner and it makes scanning as easy as a breeze, and that is the truth. It's seriously just one click. And that one click comes with the foot pedal. Makes it so easy. You line your books up into it and then you just click the foot pedal and it immediately takes an image. Then from the software you can easily save it and do so much more. It even has a patented curve flatten technology where it will automatically remove fingerprints and save time for flattening your pages. That way you don't end up with one of those documents where the font is all wavy and stuff. Nobody likes documents like that. It's got advanced OCR technology where you can easily convert these pages into editable files, like a Word or Excel, a PDF. You can even turn your files into PDFs and JPEGs, which takes your scanning process to an entire new level. With over 186 languages it supports, you can bring your entire library to life no matter where you go. And that is great for when it comes to stuff like tabletop games, Dungeons and Dragons. With this, we can easily scan our game books and put them in digital format, go to a friend's house or whatever, and not have to lug around the entire book collection, because we all know it could take up a whole shelf, right? And even if you're playing a game in your home, you can easily project what you're reading from the book up on a projector screen or a TV, making it super easy to transfer character maps, tokens, and so much more. And that can even come in handy when you're having to do a presentation and you have to project your paperwork up onto a screen. It's got a 13 full-size megapixel camera that achieves a crystal clear scanning quality and preserves all your precious memories, images, books, and so much more. Not to mention its remarkable design. It fits up on a desk without any issues, making it super easy to use, plugging into a computer by the USB port, as well as the foot switch plugging into the base of the unit by USB. But overall, the unit will fold up and give you great diversity on storing and portability. The stand is also adjustable and the dimensions read up to 334.9 millimeters up to 409.4 millimeters. And if you're in a dark environment, it also has a very nice and bright built-in light that also helps achieve the fantastic autofocus. Everything I've taken has come in crystal clear with this device, and I'm highly impressed with the quality. But while we were using this unit, we were able to back up all we needed from a single D&D campaign in just a matter of about 15 to 20 minutes. Something we thought that we would take at least half a day. This thing made it so fast and easy. And you can see the quality of what we've scanned turned out excellent. So if you're into something like drawing and you want to get your drawings transferred to digital format so you can carry them to Photoshop or do some type of coloring, this thing would be awesome. As well as backing up any type of documents you get, like doctor documents. I mean, you can go to the library and get a book and then digitally copy that book so you will always have it. So there is so many ways that you can use the Shine Ultra. We have been absolutely loving it, and it's definitely done its job copying over documents and papers for us. We have all of our links and details located in the notes below, so make sure to check those out. We'd also like to give CZUR a huge shout out and a massive thanks for letting us check out this product and give you this review. So if you found this unboxing and review helpful, then be sure to hit that like button and get in the comments. Let us know what you're going to be scanning with something like this. Well, that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed, turn that bell on to receive notifications. Until next time, I'll be seeing you in the next review.